Okay, once you've changed your settings so that you've got your own custom workspace and you've gone through the options and got things the way you like them in terms of the user interface, you can change your preferences. You can save your preferences to a profile. To access the profile, you bring up options. Remember, there's several different ways to access options. Way number one, you can go to the application menu and select options right here. Way number two, you can right click anywhere in your drawing window and select options at the bottom of the shortcut menu. Way number three is click your mouse into the command window, right click and go options. All three methods will get you to the same options dialog box. We're going to select profiles, and notice we have a bunch of profiles. Your profiles are going to be different. We want to select add to list because we're creating a new profile. We're going to say add to list, give it a name, it can be your last name. And the nice thing about this is you create this setting, this saving, and then you can export it. So you can export it by going to the export and just save it wherever you're saving your work. And you can import it when you go to a new machine so that it's easy to get to. Just like that. And that's all that it takes. And that way, if you change jobs, if you set things up in the classroom, and you want to have those settings at your workstation, you can use profile so you don't have to remember all the things you did to set up your workspace and your colors and your selection settings and all that.